I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Buenos días a todos en casita. Yo soy la profesora Paulina Ramírez Ramos de la asignatura de danza. Conmigo van a estar trabajando las pausas activas. La pausa activa del día de hoy es meramente recreativa. Vamos a echarnos unas carreritas, así que busca a alguien a quien retar. Lo primero que vas a hacer es marcar tu carril. Nosotros lo vamos a hacer con cinta masking. Vas a necesitar una tela para poder desplazarte mejor. Nosotros utilizamos una funda de almohada. Te vas a sentar encima de tu tela, la vas a tomar de los extremos y después vas a jalar, ¿vale? Te vas a jalar con los pies sin dejar de soltar tu tela, si no, no te vas a poder deslizar. Ya que estás listo, comencemos la carrera. Espero que te haya gustado, esperamos tu video y nos vemos la próxima.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today we're going to start with the vocabulary and then with we're going to talk about the topics of today, okay? The first word of today is nursery rhymes. The nursery rhymes are songs for children. For example, happy happy or head, shoulder, knees and toes or something like that. Okay, page is a part of a book or a notebook. Okay, for example, open your book on page 65, for example. Okay, open your book on page 65. And song, the song is like a music. Okay, for example, happier or faded. Okay, continue watching the video for more explanation about the topic.
A nursery rhyme is a song or poem for children. In this case, the last word of the first line has a similar sound with the other word of the second line. For example, here, 10 little fishes. 10 little fishes were swimming in a school. This one said, "Let's swim where it is cool." Okay? So the word school rhymes with cool. Okay, the following two lines, the last word is they and play. These words have similar sounds. Okay, so be with me, and then look with book, hook, and then way with may, and this is the form with nursery rhymes that the last word rhymes or has a similar word with the other, similar sounds with the other word. Remember, the activities are: check on the internet the nursery rhymes, write in your notebook words with similar sounds, and Educa Play.
I never made it, but I